intro. Okay. Hey cuties, it's your guy Kpcutie. I'm back with you cutie pies with another recreate. So today I am recreating Beyonce's London on the go outfit, and it looks so fabulous. I had to recreate it. So I'm gonna go ahead and recreate that. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell to notify post video, and also comment down below if you guys really love these recreates. Cause for me, I really like making recreates. I love making things, I love doing them, and I love wearing them because they look fire on me. I mean, of course I'm gonna make them perfect to my body, you know. So yeah, before we get into this video, make sure you guys do that. And now let's get into the video. Okay kids, here's the jacket. How's the look before? I'm gonna give you guys a little spin, give you guys 360, and now here we are. I remember it had pockets. I'm like, this is a perfect height to cut to make it shorter. So I'm gonna cut it above the pockets, give it a little bit enough room to do like a hem or at least seam allowance. To do the hem, and once I do that, I cut that off. And I also and I also cut off the top part because I see in the photo it didn't have this hem, it didn't have this collar, so I ended up cutting that off. And then once I cut that off, I also kind of like to cut off the hem part from the bottom part of the jacket before, and I'm going to use that to do the neck lining and the hem of the jean jacket. So I'm going to go ahead and with this part, I'm going to go cut out like a little V shape where the buttons are at least. I'm at least keeping 2 buttons so it can close fully. But the other parts, I'm just going to cut from the seam of that for the first button to the second button. I cut that part off all the way to the seam of the hem. Not the hem, the collar. And once you do that, then I can go to the next step. Okay, cuties, here is it cut all out. Now here you are, you're gonna put on the hem. Boop. Okay cuties, once you put your hem on, you're going to take it to your sewing machine and you're going to sew it. Or if you can want to put on your surgery and just serge at least the outlining or the seams of it, go ahead and do that. For me, I'm just going to go ahead with my trusty dandy sewing machine and sew all this bad boy up so we can get started with the gems. Which so excited! Here's what it looks like when it's all been sewn. It's been like hemmed. I'm showing you guys it's supposed to be laid down, but I'm gonna go ahead and iron that later on in the video, or at least off screen. And don't forget to also, if you want to, I was personally wanting to burn the seams inside to like kind of like hide the seams of the dirt, but you can do whatever you want. You can glue some beads onto it, or you can just keep it like that, give it that raw texture look, which that's what the look I was going for. And here is the beads I'm going to be using. I'm going to use these gold beads. I'm going to use these pearl beads, fishing wire. And don't forget to get you a needle. Okay cuties, I have just begun. I put one of the strings behind the back so at least that I know where the middle is. And I put the fishing wire there so it can go wrap around to the front to do the whole front part of the outfit. And once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and start doing your beads. Make sure you double knot it at the beginning. Don't forget to double knot it, or you can also tie against the other knot side to do the other side. But for me, I just double knot it for now so it doesn't loose. And you're gonna go ahead and put your beads. I did this method of 2 big beads and 2 small beads, 1 gold, and then kept going off of that. And don't forget to make sure you double loop it for the first part so it doesn't slide off. And you can also do that, like skip parts between of doing the pearl part, because you can do so it doesn't fall off when you just need it take a break, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this video play. Make sure you guys comment down below which part of the video you are liking, or you love making the jewelry, or do you love making the jackets or stuff like that. Comment down below. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this video play for you guys. Stay tuned.
That pussy put him in his feelings. Cause that thing hitting right though. I never said that I would spend the night though. Now why you mad for? You know how it go. And if I ever wrote I love you shit, that must have been a typo. Now you know iPhone Siri, she be correcting niggas. You write a message, it be different by the time you send it. Now why you acting, boy, you knew I was savage. I told you from the gate, you could taste, you can't have it. Then I considered your feelings and then walk out on you. But I'ma tiptoe right up out your bedroom. Oh baby now, what's with all the attitude? Put a smile on, honesty is good for you. You really bugging, you mad for nothing. I told you from the gate that I wasn't trying to be booed up. Boy, I told you from the gate that I wasn't trying to be. Now you know damn well we ain't on that level. You post subliminal messages to whoever. So full of pride that you can't even decide if you wanna walk out or pull them to the side. You wanna get in that ooey gooey, boy, don't you? Don't wanna leave though, ooh, that's where you lost me. Homie, guess he feeling lonely, but I'm so sorry, you just not priority. Now you know I wouldn't pass up a good thing. I suggest that you take it for what it is, babe. When I pull up, I'm not parking it in your driveway. They don't gotta know that I be at where you stay. But I considered your feelings when you held on to me. Had the courtesy to wait until you fell asleep. Oh, baby, be happy you got a piece of me. Feel special, nigga, I don't do this usually. So why you bugging? You mad for nothing. I told you from the gate that I wasn't trying to be booed up. Oh, no. Boy, I told you from the gate that I wasn't trying to be.
Okay, kids, now here I am with finished at least one side. I'm gonna go put it at the pinpoint where I have it in the middle, and I'm gonna go ahead and push it through, double knot it, and then we're gonna get started making the other side.
I'm so cozy.
It should look like this, where it's double knotted. And don't forget to also take some fishing wire and go through in between, like give it like gaps, and make sure it's all secure so it doesn't roll off the jacket if it's not tight enough at the end. If you couldn't tighten up as it is, go ahead and put like little loops and just tie it from one side and the other side, and just knot it from there so it doesn't slip off. Well, cuties, I'm not gonna let you guys sit here for long to watch me do another side. So here's a little flash, and bada bing, bada boom. The other side is finished. But now, not only for that part of that finish, you now we're gonna go ahead and do the the little loops for both back and front. So excited. So here I am with the loops. I also have 2 strings holding down from each side to make the little curve part to hang off my waist. So I'm going to do this kind of the same pattern but with bigger beads this time. But here's how long it should be so it can fit all the way to that crease on the side. You know where your jackets are closed, where from this other seam, that's where you're going to pin that one side for the front part, and you're going to do the same thing for the other side for the back part. I'm not gonna let you guys sit here for long of waiting. Here is how you do the pattern. Here's the example where I'm saying where you guys have the loop for the sides to go to the back. This part, I'm going to do the back part to the front. And here's the other side. I had done this off camera, and plus I lost the footage of me recording, so yeah. But bear with me, guys. It looks so beautiful. I'm like, this is so cute. Like, I don't know if I wanted to share this with you guys, but it looks so cute. But here's the look. I kind of like did switch it up. I did like a plain, but with a little bit of hint of gold in the front, and then a little bit part in the back of gold. So yeah. So here is the final final look.
Cozy.
Finished! I'm so excited. I'm so happy, cuties. I finally finished the outfit. Well, that's it for me, cuties. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recreates like this. And also hit that little button to know if I post a video. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.